Lewis Hamilton missed out on pole position by the considerable margin of 4 tenths of a second to Red Bull's Max Verstappen at the season opener in Bahrain, but said afterwards he was pleasantly surprised to be so close, adding that Mercedes had made a really good step forward from pre-season testing to the first round. He said, "Yes, it's definitely closer than we expected. I think this is a really good step forward for us coming this weekend. We thought it would be double the gap that you see today. And so that's really down to some really fantastic work from the men and women back at the factory." He further said, "Congratulations to Max. He did such a great job so fast on the last lap. I absolutely gave everything I had, but unfortunately it wasn't enough," said Hamilton. Short news. Fernando Alonso missed the feeling of driving a Formula 1 car. He said, "I have to tell you to drive these cars with low fuel, new tires, the peak performance of the tire in the first lap. It's an enjoyable car to drive." He added, "I did miss this feeling." Verstappen secures his maiden season opener pole in Bahrain. "A great start for us," said Verstappen. After securing the first ever consecutive pole position of his career, there are no guarantees for the future, but of course, very happy so far with the whole weekend.